Chia seeds may be small, but they're incredibly rich in nutrients, a staple in the ancient Aztec and Maya diets. These seeds have been touted for their health benefits for centuries. The nutrients in chia seeds may promote heart health, support strong bones, and improve blood sugar management. What's more, chia seeds are versatile and can be used in many recipes. Personally, I embrace their gel-like consistency by mixing them with liquid and making chia pudding. Highly nutritious. Chia seeds are tiny black or white seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica. They're believed to be native to Central America. Historically, Aztec and Mayan civilizations used the seeds in their diets, as well as for medicinal purposes, religious rituals, and cosmetics. Today, people all over the world enjoy chia seeds, loaded with antioxidants. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of antioxidant. Antioxidants not only protect the sensitive fats in chia seeds from going rancid but also benefit human health by neutralizing reactive molecules known as free radicals, which can damage cell compounds if they build up in your body. For example, free radical damage contributes to aging and diseases like cancer. The specific antioxidants in chia seeds include chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myristin, quercetin, and chemoferol. These may all have protective effects on your heart and liver, as well as anti-cancer properties. For example, chlorogenic acid may help lower blood pressure, while caffeic acid has anti-inflammatory effects, may support weight loss. The fiber and protein in chia seeds may benefit those trying to lose weight. 1 ounce of chia seeds has close to 10 grams of dietary fiber. That means they're a whopping 35% fiber by weight. Although research on this topic is mixed, some studies suggest that eating fiber may play a role in preventing overweight and obesity. Additionally, the protein in chia seeds could help reduce appetite and food intake. One study in 24 participants found that eating 0.33 ounces or 0.5 ounces of chia seeds mixed with yogurt for breakfast increased feelings of fullness and reduced food intake in the short term compared with eating chia-free yogurt. Even so, studies examining the effectiveness of chia seeds for weight loss have observed mixed results. In an older study from 2009 involving 90 people with overweight, consuming 50 grams of chia seed supplements per day for 12 weeks did not affect body weight or health markers like blood pressure and inflammation markers. In contrast, a 6-month study involving 77 people with overweight or obesity and type 2 diabetes eating a reduced calorie diet found that those who took chia seeds daily experienced significantly greater weight loss than those who received a placebo. Though adding chia seeds to your diet is unlikely to cause weight loss on its own, it may be a useful addition to a balanced, nutritious diet if you're trying to lose weight. May lower your risk of heart disease. Given that chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3, consuming them may reduce your risk of heart disease. Soluble fiber, the kind primarily found in chia seeds, can help lower total and LDL cholesterol in your blood. In turn, this can reduce your risk of heart disease. Consuming a lot. The omega-3 fatty acid in chia seeds has also been linked to decreased heart disease risk. Still, studies specifically examining the connection between chia seeds and heart health have had inconclusive results. Some rat studies have shown that chia seeds can lower certain heart disease risk factors, including high triglyceride and oxidative stress levels. A few human studies found that chia seed supplements significantly reduced blood pressure in people with hypertension or high blood pressure, which is a strong risk factor for heart disease. Contain many important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in several nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. Many observational studies suggest that getting enough of these nutrients is important for maintaining good bone mineral density, an indicator of bone strength. In addition, ala and chia seeds may play a role in bone health. Observational studies have found that consuming this nutrient could also be associated with increased bone mineral density. Therefore, it's possible that regularly eating chia seeds could help keep your bones strong. One animal study found that rats who received chia seeds daily for about 13 months had increased bone mineral content compared with the control group. The authors concluded that ala may have contributed to this benefit. However, besides animal studies, a limited number of studies have explored this topic specifically. Ultimately, more human research is needed. Overall, chia seeds may benefit heart health, but more research is needed. May reduce blood sugar levels. Consuming chia seeds may help with blood sugar regulation, possibly due to their fiber content and other beneficial compounds. People with diabetes may experience high blood sugar levels. Consistently high fasting blood sugar levels are associated with an increased risk of several complications, including heart disease. Promisingly, animal studies have found that chia seeds may improve insulin sensitivity. This might help stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. Research in humans is sparse, but some older studies have shown promising results. In particular, older research from 2010 and 2013 suggests that eating bread containing chia seeds helps lower post-meal rises in blood sugar among healthy adults, compared with eating bread without chia seeds. Nevertheless, more research is needed to learn more about the connection between these nutritious seeds and blood sugar regulation. Easy to incorporate into your diet. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. They taste rather bland, so you can add them to pretty much anything. You don't need to grind, cook, or otherwise prepare them, making them a handy addition to recipes. They can be eaten raw, soaked in juice, or added to oatmeal, pudding, smoothies, and baked goods. You can also sprinkle them on top of cereal, yogurt, vegetables, or rice dishes. Plus, they work wonders in homemade fritters as a binding agent. Given their ability to absorb water and fat, you can use them to thicken sauces and as an egg substitute. They can also be mixed with water and turned into a gel. The seeds appear to be well tolerated. Still, if you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, you might experience digestive side effects like bloating or diarrhea if you eat too many seeds in one sitting. A common dosage recommendation is 0.7 ounces of chia seeds twice per day. Remember to drink plenty of water to prevent any digestive side effects. Chia seeds and heart health. Chia seeds are often marketed as heart healthy because, though they are tiny little seeds, they're high in omega-3 fatty acids. However, most of the omega-3 fatty acid in chia seeds is alpha-linolenic acid. A 2012 review found that foods and supplements high in ALA may reduce your risk of metabolic syndrome and coronary heart disease. But at least one study found that high ALA levels are associated with an increased risk of sudden cardiac arrest. Of the 16 studies reviewed, half supported the health benefits of ALA while the others did not. More research is needed. Do chia seeds help you lose weight? There are many assertions on the internet that chia seeds curb your appetite and promote weight loss. The running theory is that since chia seeds are filling and high in fiber, they keep you fuller longer. They may therefore help prevent overeating. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have almost 10 grams of fiber. That's around 40% of the recommended daily intake. Diets high in fiber have been linked to weight loss. According to 2015 research, eating 30 grams of fiber daily may help you lose as much weight as if you followed a more complicated diet. Here's the catch, though. Research doesn't back the hype. There are few human studies on chia seeds and weight loss. A 2009 study reviewed the effects of chia seeds on weight loss and disease risk factors. For the study, 90 overweight or obese adults consumed either a placebo or 25 grams of chia seeds mixed with water before their first and last meals of the day. Unfortunately, the results showed no impact on body mass, body composition, or disease risk factors. Chia seeds are also relatively high in calories and fat. 2 tablespoons have 138 calories and 9 grams of fat. When used in moderation, chia seeds may help you feel more satisfied and less likely to eat too much. Still, if you eat too many throughout the day, you may go over your daily calorie limit. Chia seeds are not only rich in minerals, omega-3 fat, antioxidants, and fiber but also easy to prepare. Studies suggest that they have various health benefits, ranging from weight loss to a reduced risk of heart disease. However, more research involving humans is needed before any firm conclusions can be made. If you want to reap the possible benefits of chia seeds, consider incorporating them into your diet. They're a great addition to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, baked goods, and more.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.